my gosh!
Oh God.
Project Zorgo's been hacking us for hours!
Regina, can you fix it? Can you stop Project Zorgo from hacking us?
Fix it.
Working.
You can do it, you can do it.
Daniel, give me the camera! Project Zorgo! They have the signal booster, and they're hacking us! A lot of spy ninjas have been saying there's been glitches on everyone's videos!
Yeah, and they said that there's a new Project Zorgo video, I guess, where they explain some things.
Let's pull up Project Zorgo's video right now!
Let's see what it says.
We will test the device by hacking the YouTube channel of a popular YouTuber this week.
They're gonna test the signal booster on a YouTuber this week!
Well, which YouTuber is it?
PZ members will be assigned clues and hints to the identity of this target on the day of our test.
It looks like they're giving clues to different hackers to figure out who the YouTuber is.
We need to go intercept those clues, and we need to figure out which YouTuber they're gonna hack. It could be us.
It could be any of us!
Or it could be one of our friends, someone you guys watch. We can't let them get hacked.
Alright, you guys, give this video a big thumbs up right now for helping other YouTubers not get hacked!
We gotta stop Project Zorgo from hacking any YouTubers at all.
We gotta find those clues before the hackers find them.
Yeah, I have an idea, guys.
What is it? What is it?
Remember how I was able to duplicate the signal booster?
Yeah. It wasn't Daniel that did it.
No, it wasn't him, it was me. I think we could use that same frequency to track them where they are right now.
Yeah, nice, so we can find their location?
Yeah.
Okay, give me the camera.
Okay.
Yeah, where are they located?
Oh gosh. We only have 15 minutes until they use the signal booster, guys. We have to go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go to the location!
Yeah.
Let's go. This is the part. Whoa! Almost ran out into you.
Whoa!
This has got to be nearby where the signal booster is. The hacker's got to be around here somewhere. Yeah.
I think the four of us should split up
Yeah.
and make sure not to get spotted by any hackers because they might cancel the whole entire thing.
I'm gonna go this way and look for a hacker, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna head west.
All right.
Okay, I'll go east.
Okay, I'll go north.
Okay, guys, keep an eye out for hackers. They've been hanging out here a lot. Look at this guy. Hey, do you know where the hackers are?
I guess the hackers are gonna all meet up here at the park. They're gonna exchange their clues. They're gonna figure out which YouTuber they're supposed to all hack together, and we need to stop them.
Guys, I think I see a Project Zorgo member right up here. Look, it's definitely a hacker right there, sitting on that rock. Okay, this is a horrible hiding spot, as you can see. He's not looking at me right now, so he probably has a clue on him, or he's looking for one.
Hold on, you guys. What the heck? Is that a hacker coming out of a garbage can? What is going on? Oh my gosh, I know they're always like leaving clues and stuff in garbage can, but like, he looking for clues, or did he use that as a door? That's weird. While he's working away. Ew. This is the garbage can that the Project Zorgo member was searching around. I think it's just garbage. Let's see. Turns out it's just a regular garbage can.
Whoa, guys, check it out. There's a hacker right over here.
Gotta go into stealth mode here. Wait, he's looking on his phone. I wonder what his clue is. He keeps looking up. What's he looking at? Wait, why is he jumping? What is he doing? Do you guys see anything up there? He's trying to get something. This is so weird. He's trying to get something out of the tree. Something green right there. Oh gosh, this is gonna end badly. This guy doesn't look like a tree climber to me. What's he doing? Is he giving up? These hackers are such quitters. Let's go investigate here, guys. What was he jumping for up here? Do you guys see anything in this tree? Huh. Oh, right there. What is that? Oh, it is really high up there. Let me see if I can reach it. I'm maybe a little taller than that hacker. 1, 2, 3, jump! Oh, I almost had it.
I'm gonna make a run and jump for it. You guys ready?
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, jump! Got it! Yeah, okay, what is this?
I think I've seen V wear one of these before. Check this out. Like this, right? Headband. It's way too tight. I think it's for like ponytails or something. If this is the clue the hacker was trying to get, that must mean the YouTuber has long hair. Possibly the YouTuber they're about to hack is a female, or it could be a male with long hair. I think that's the clue. All right.
Hackers. It looks like they're talking about important information, so I'm gonna go up to them and I'm gonna eavesdrop to see if I could hear any clues about who the YouTuber is.
What the heck is he doing? Look at it. He took his mask off. He's like cleaning it. Any way to see his face? I don't want to blow my cover. Dang it, he's putting it back on. Look in his pocket right there. There's something sticking out. Maybe he already found the clue he's looking for. Maybe that's it in his pocket. I gotta find a way to like distract him or something. But if he turns around, it's over for me. Oh, my handy dandy Daniel drone in my backpack. Yeah, look at this bad boy right here. I'm gonna fly it in front of him and distract him. Maybe I'll see his face if he takes it off to clean it again. All right, the drone's on the ground right there. As you guys know, I'm a drone piloting expert. I've only done it a couple times, but they went pretty well each time, and that makes me an expert, right? All right, let's put this baby up in the air. Let's go. There she goes.
gosh.
Since they don't know what my face looks like, they'll probably just think I'm a normal human being. So they're behind this thing right here.
I was told the YouTuber had hair. Yes. What color is that? It's green.
He's green?
No, it's yellow.
What?
That's not yellow. No, Moms, it's yellow.
Guys, did you hear that? The YouTuber has green or yellow skin? Are there any YouTubers with green skin? I don't think I know any.
I thought it was gonna be Chad or Rebecca, because they told me the hair color is like theirs. Who else could it be? Kawaii Kunicorn.
All three of them are very different. How am I supposed to know which one out of the three is them? Maybe they meant yellow hair. Yes, yellow hair, yellow hair! So for sure, the YouTuber they're looking for is blonde. Oh. Do they hear me? They heard me, they heard me, they heard me. I'm too loud. Oh my. Shoot.
I don't see anybody.
Okay, he doesn't see me. They're gonna corner me here. Where do I do?
Go that way.
Go up here. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm hiding behind this big pillar right here, and the hackers are right there.
You smell horrible. I was in the garbage can looking for clues. Project Zorgo leader said we're out here to search for more clues on him. Did you find anything? No. I found something on her.
You guys, did you hear that? That hacker says her. So that means the YouTuber is definitely a girl. Let's see if we can hear more information about this YouTuber here.
I was trying to find out what his hair color is, what his eye color is, but nothing yet. He is gonna get hacked, that's for sure. We need to find more clues about her. Let's go over there. I haven't checked that way. Alright, after you.
Okay, you guys, I'm actually really confused right now because the hackers are not being very clear. One of the hackers was referring to the YouTuber as he, and the other one was referring to them as a she. It can be Guava Juice, it could be Lizzie, it can be anyone. Whoa. Wait, look, there's another hacker joining them. There's 3 of them now. They're meeting together. What is that? What are they showing him? Oh, wait, wait. Oh my gosh, which one do I follow? Wait, okay, I think that's the new guy. I'm gonna actually follow him because he might have a different clue or something.
Wait a second. Wait. Look at this, Jess. Look at this.
Wait, there's a hacker. Right there. He's fighting somebody. Am I too late? Is he battling a YouTuber already? Wait, I think he's by himself. Yeah, there's no one else there. That's just a tree up there. But he's practicing his boxing.
Maybe the YouTuber that they're gonna hack has some Spy Ninja training. Why else would he be practicing his fighting skills?
Whoa, this guy. He's got a lot of energy. Look at that.
Okay, yeah, I think that's the clue, guys. He was probably told, practice your ninja skills because the YouTuber has Spy Ninja training. Do you think they're gonna be trying to hack me or V? Or is it a different YouTuber? What other YouTubers have had Spy Ninja training? I'm gonna keep looking for more clues, guys. There's gotta be more hackers in this park. Let's sneak out of here.
Move! I can't go that way! I can't make it move! I don't know what's going on!
What is this, their break time and they're just like hanging around? Let's get a little closer. What's he doing? The hacker took out like a pink note out of his pocket. I didn't see that pink note earlier, you know, with the other 2 hackers I was following. So this must be a different one. So that clue must be new. Oh, he's going down the slide. What the heck? Wait, that's the end of the slide right there. I didn't see him come out. Oh, there's the note. Oh, this hacker is taking a nap in the slide. Gosh, they must be on a break or something. We gotta find a way to get that clue out of his pocket. See, that slide is up here. Ew, a bunch of pigeon poop. Let's see. There's a hole on top of the slide. Let's take a peek. All right, guys, I think the hacker's in a deep sleep. out of here. We got the note.
They're right there.
Not the heard it.
They don't see me, guys.
Yeah, what color? Yeah? No verde. No verde. Azul. 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 Sí.
Oh my gosh, guys. The hackers are leaving right now. They had no idea that I'm up here. But they were talking about the YouTubers. They were saying no verde. Thank God I took Spanish class. Verde means green. So they don't have green. And then they were pointing at their eyeballs, which means they don't have green eyeballs. He was saying another word. Azul. Azul. I know this one. I know this one. What is it? It's blue. Yeah, I think. Or is it red?
All right, it's pointed at the hacker. Look, yes, it's working. It's on autopilot, and it's distracting the hacker. The thing is still in his pocket, whatever was sticking out, that white stuff. Oh gosh, oh geez. Now's my chance to sneak up and get it. Let's go. They're in his pocket. They're in his pocket still. Oh gosh. I got it. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Oh my gosh. I got what was in his pocket. It fell out at the last second. I gotta bring the drone back now. Oh look, he's checking his pockets. You don't have it anymore, man. Oh, here comes the drone. Auto land. Here we go. Awesome, okay.
Look at all these pigeons. These are hacker pigeons. Do they have any notes on their legs? Let me see if I can attract any of them here. Here, Pidgey, Pidgey.
So now I know that the YouTuber is blonde and has blue eyes. Chad? That could be Chad. I need to warn Chad. Does Chad have blue eyes? I think he has blue eyes. Okay, I gotta go tell Chad. Ah, let's go!
He's calling somebody. Those rocks are too small for me to hide behind. I'm gonna climb up this branch and I can get closer to him and listen to him. Go out on this branch a little bit. I'm over the top of him.
Yeah, I'm really glad that our new target, he's pretty tall.
Huh, wait, he's tall.
Guys, did you hear? He said that the YouTuber they're gonna hack is really tall. That's gotta be me. They must be planning on hacking me.
It's a good thing he doesn't know how to use that many ninja weapons, though. Thankfully, though, he's not as tall as Chad, so I'm not that scared of this guy.
Oh, not as tall as me. Okay, so I'm right. Oh, he's leaving now. Okay.
We're getting close. We've figured out someone tall, like me, knows ninja weapons. But wait, is it a tall girl? Because remember, I found that hair thing. It's either a tall girl who knows ninja weapons, or maybe a tall guy with long hair, maybe.
Looks like a glasses symbol and a no symbol. This is the Project Zorgo language, you guys. But I don't know why they're on top of each other this time. Maybe hackers like ran out of room and then just drew one on top of another. Well, good thing I always travel with my decoder wheel, so let's figure out what this clue means. So I think the key right now equals G because we solved it using out that musical note that we found. Glasses equals P, no symbol equals S. P, S. What does that clue mean? Do you think maybe they're the initials of the YouTuber? Let me know in the comments below if you guys know any YouTubers that possibly names start with a P or starts with an S. Let's try and meet up with Chad, Daniel, and Regina. I'll tell them what I know, so maybe they have some clues that they found out too. Gosh, where's Chad, Daniel, Regina? Wait, what? Oh, Daniel!
Look what I found here. Looks like it's 2 airplane tickets. It was in the hacker's pocket. It fell out and I got it.
Did you see airplane tickets?
Yeah, from Virginia.
Virginia. Wait, I've been there. Remember? The Shares. They live in Virginia.
They do, yeah.
Yeah, I found a clue too, and it has glasses and then a no symbol on it.
But I have 2 plane tickets though.
Right, so maybe P, S are 2 different YouTubers' names. PewDiePie and Shane Dawson?
Oh.
But they're not from Virginia.
What are they doing in Virginia?
Is it a boy or a girl? I don't know. Oh, Lizzie and Carter Shares, they're dating and they're living together. They're definitely a duo.
True. Oh, what about like Lucas and Marcus?
Oh, Rebecca and Matt.
The Game Master's after them, not Project Zorgo.
Do you think Marlin and Guava Juice are a duo? I mean, they're cousins.
They're cousins. We saw Guava Juice on the laptop in the Tesla too.
You're right.
So maybe they're targeting him, and yeah, Guava Juice and Marlin.
Another married couple is Carl and Ginger.
Did they come from Virginia?
Where
do they
I
live?
think they live in Utah. Another duo that actually lives together. Morgs and Morg's mom.
Oh yeah!
I gotta meet up with V, Daniel, and Regina. Let them know the clues, see what clues they have. Wait,
Guys.
Chad.
Hey Chad.
Okay.
What clues did you find?
We found so many clues. I found 2 airplane tickets, and V found whatever this.
I think the initials of the YouTuber. I
Nice.
think it PS.
what if that isn't the Project Circle language, but maybe it's just like, it means no glasses. The YouTuber that they're going to hack doesn't wear glasses.
We were overthinking it, maybe.
We were.
Okay, what I found out was that they're tall, they know some ninja moves, possibly, they have some spy ninja training, but then they said they don't know that many ninja weapons or as many ninja weapons, and I found a hair binder for like ponytails or something, so maybe they have long hair. If you guys are saying that it's 2 YouTubers, maybe one of them has long hair. It does kind of sound like me and you, doesn't it, V? Because we have long hair.
But we're Spy Ninja's experts, so it can't be us.
We gotta get Regina's clues and find.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa!
Oh.
There's a bunch of hackers that I found. I overheard them. They said that they have azul eyes.
What's that mean?
What?
Blue eyes.
Blue eyes.
Blue eyes.
Eyeballs. And blonde hair. So what could be you, Chad?
No.
Green eyes.
Green eyes. I don't have blue eyes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Together.
So it's not me.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Are there any YouTubers that look like me but have blue eyes?
Daniel?
Oh,
wait,
you
no.
don't look like me.
He's not blonde.
See,
yeah.
and his
Oh
facial
my
hair.
goodness.
different.
Who do we know that has blonde hair and blue eyes? I think it might be Morgs. You know Morgs and Morg's mom?
Yeah, Morg's mom. They
Yeah.
have blue eyes.
Yeah.
And blonde hair.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, I think it's them.
Yeah, I mean,
Whoa.
Wait, what?
What
I
was
just
it?
got a beep on my phone.
What is it?
It's the signal booster. I think they're about to set it off and hack this duo.
Uh-oh.
We have to go to London right now?
Yeah.
It's not in London, it's like over that way. And save whoever these 2 people
We gotta
are.
hurry. The time's almost up.
They're gonna get hacked. I don't see them.
Good.
Oh gosh.
Wait, stop. Look over there. Behind the garbage can. That's a hacker.
The target is over there somewhere.
Is that the YouTuber? Who is that?
No, it's only 1 person. It's not
Okay, how about you, Chad and Daniel, go attack the hacker.
Yeah.
Me and Regina will go save the YouTuber.
Okay. You gonna take out the hacker or should I?
well, definitely you, man.
Here, you take the camera.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go.
Come on, Daniel. Come on.
Yes! They got him! Take him there! Okay, let's see who this YouTuber is. Hey!
V?